Hello traders and welcome back to Trades FX. It is Wednesday the 10th of April 2024 and the time is just about to turn 10 past 8 p.m. UK time. Traders, welcome back to the channel. I just want to invite you all to come across and subscribe. If you've been liking the videos, if you've been liking this content, come across and subscribe, leave a comment, press on the bell icon. All of that YouTube stuff helps your boy to grow this channel, and that's one of the main reasons I want to try and get this word out there to see if we can help. Now traders, I want to go into a pair here. Let me just go down to the charts and you can see me here on the daily chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Now hopefully traders, you've been watching all of the videos in this series of videos where you watch me live take out 300 pips out of this market. Okay, and just yesterday I said that I was interested in shorting this market again. Now longer term I'm bullish, okay, but I believe we're in a correction of a bullish trend at the moment, okay, and I'm waiting for price to, I don't believe price is as low as it can go just yet. However, here on the daily chart, you can actually see that we've found some support at the January lows. Let me go down to the 3-hour chart and let me just recap what I said. Now you will remember, I'm going to fatten this up just to try and keep it as we were yesterday. You will remember that I pulled a fib expansion of this move here, back down into the lows. And let me just change that to fib. Okay, and it was this fib extension, this fib equal legs 127 fib extension that I highlighted to you could be a level of resistance. Let me just get rid of that. I'm going to keep this chart clear. What I then also brought your attention to was, if you remember, this bar here. Okay, being a bearish bar, and this bar here. And it was this bar here, this second one here in particular, that I was bringing your attention to. Because if you remember again, what I did was I took a fib extension of this bar. Okay, I took a fib extension of this bar and I placed a limit order at the 618, and you can actually see it when I hover over the red arrow. You can actually see the red arrow which indicates my entry, which is actually denoted here as well, showing you where I got short right there. Okay, so that's how we are now, where we are. And look at this, traders. Let me fatten this up. Let me just show you what's happened here. So remember, 61.8 fib retracement of this bar. Price has pushed up, and on this bar it's taken me in. Now we've hardly had to suffer any pain, because here's my stop loss up here, some 50 pips away. Okay, but this is as far into that territory as we went, and look at what's since happened. We've sold off based on some Fed news today, all right, and we've now got some downward momentum, which is exactly what I was looking for. Now you can't tell me that Fibonacci doesn't work, traders. It doesn't work alone, and it doesn't work randomly. But if you've got a system in place where you're constantly, consistently doing the same thing over and over again with slight variations, because no market is the same, this is what you're capable of. Now don't get me wrong, this trade is far from over. Okay, we're 70 pips, 68.8 pips up at the moment. There's more, you know, there's always a chance that price could just turn around and take me out. Okay, that's possible. So I don't think so though. I'm bearish. The sentiment is still reminding me bearish. This wasn't based even on the sentiment that I was seeing. This sell-off here is not a surprise. And what I like about looking at both fundamentals and the technicals together is that you can almost, when you've got some sort of announcement to make, that's being made, not to make, because I don't make the announcements, like the Fed announcement today, okay, you can almost, what's the word I'm looking for? You can almost know what's going to happen based on the technicals. If I was looking at this chart as I was yesterday, and I was thinking about what was going to happen, that there was some news coming up and what could happen, It's almost like the technicals mixed with the fundamentals told me that it's going to be a sell-off. Not just because of me being, me already being bearish in the fundamentals and the sentiment, but the way the chart pattern was lining up. All of this, let me just get my notation. All of this, actually I've got exactly the tool. All of this here, if you know what you're looking for, all of this is just a big correction of, this is my opinion, of this down leg here. We have impulsive leg to the downside, correction. And what happens at the end of a correction? Price tends to continue in the direction of the original impulse leg or the bigger trend. And that's what we have here. Traders, wanting to keep this short, hope you like the video. It is literally now just a case of seeing what happens. As I've said, we haven't won in this trade yet, and we may not win. Let's keep that, let's keep it real here. But we've certainly had a good start. So I'll let you know what happens next. And let's see what happens, traders. Thanks for sitting in. Come across and like your boys' channel, and I'll catch you really, really soon. Take care, traders.